How it is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. In the last episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver, we took on Jenny and we caught on stupid Snorlax. And in this episode, we're going to take on Pewter City's gym leader. Our first ever gym leader, we took on the Fire Red playthrough. Pewter City's gym leader broke their rock solid Pokemon trainer. Okay, a little bit of grinding off screen against this gym trainers. And yeah, let's battle Brock. Here we go. Ethan versus Pewter City's gym leader, Kanto's 5th gym leader, Brock. Sorry, 6th gym leader. And we have 5p for close combat. So I think we can solo him. And our defense and special defense fell. No problemo. Later Brock is gonna send out his Unexpected. Unexpected at level 54. They are catching up with us in levels, guys. Later Brock sent out his Kabutops. I am like 9 levels above you, so you can do with your Kabutops. You send out a Raihan, you doesn't even had an Rhydon. Okay, you are getting swept by an Heracross. How? What? Okay, you're 53 level. Oh shit! And our PP for close combat is gone now. Go Mega Horn! And Brain is gonna kill us. Very nice. And also I off screen gave some leftovers to Sokka because the Snorlax had it, and yeah. And also I forgot to give XP share to one of our Pokemon. That is being, you will see what is that what the Pokemon is. And Rock Slide, we got TMA to Rock Slide, guys. So yeah, let's give XP share to somebody. That somebody be none other than Scott. We never ever evolved our Scott into an Ferret. I'm gonna evolve our Scott into an Ferret. And also I often went to all the way through Blackthorn City, all the way to Blackthorn City to delete Surf and Strength on our Pokemon respectively. So yeah, and we took on and we defeated Brocco, the Rocco Hardo specialist. There's Nurse Joy. I'm gonna save the game and I'll see you guys when I saved the game. Okay guys, I saved the game. Let's go into Mount Moon. Our place we evolved our Nido King. We got our Nido King. Mystic from the last playthrough. And yeah, I think I never battled this guy. Okay, this might be a little bit of warm up. And now that we got Rock Slide, we can solo Red with our Heracross. So if it is an high of a level, if our Sokka is on part with Red's Pokemon, we can sweep him with our Sokka using Sword Dance. Okay, Scout go helping and keep old moves. And yeah, what? Scout is evolving. And it took a lot of time guys, but we finally evolved Scout into an Ferret. Okay, let's take back our XP share. Scout, I'm so happy that I evolved you. Scout. And we got the XP share. Okay. There are so many trainers. Okay. I thought there will be only 2 trainers after that I defeated the Tiger. But there are so many members. So many. I can't believe it. Last thing, last say, now all the words. Say. I don't know how to sing a song. Imagine dragons. You are being a dragon. Imagine being a dragon. Imagine. Mega Horn animation is so sick. And okay, it's gonna take itself out. I'm gonna switch up our party and I'll see you guys when I switch up our party. Okay guys, I switched up our squad and another hiker. No problemo. You are a hiker. Why do you have a magnet on? No problem. And also, I want to pick up the earthquake TM from what is that place? Yes, from Victory Road. So yeah, I last screen grind our Pokemon up to level 65 for the next episode because I just wanna be safe. And it survived on waterfall, so nice. And a neutral hit, but boosted by normal ties. And yeah, Chomps showing its power. I hate this game. Why there are so many trainers? I mean, I can off-screen grind against them, but yeah, I might KO. Yes, nice critical hit. Macargo, Cargo, Marco, Gago, Marker, Macargo. And we got this. We got this in the bag. I'll see you guys when I heal up our freaking party in this freaking place. Okay guys, I healed up our party. And yeah, let's go into Mount Moon. We are immediately jumped up by our rival Silver. Here we go, Ethan versus Silver. And he had a full team of 6 now. Nice. That is good for you, Silver, because you doesn't even had a full squad when we take on you on the Victory Road. So you having Pokemon is nice. And I have Ice Fang for Pokemon like your Meganium. So you setting up light skin is not going to help you because my Ice Fang is a physical move. This is not Gen 2, this is Gen 4. So it will be helping nobody. So should have set up and reflect. If you set up the oh shit, how are you surviving this hit? No. Yes. Not yes, it's yes. I am saying yes in my way. And crunch, you disabled my waterfall, no problem, because I used crunch on you. So take that, you Silver pitchy rival. And our Chomps is at level 62, guys. And he sent out his Gengar, his Destiny Bond Gengar. And can you survive it, Chomps? You let. Why this RNG is missing with me? And we got the Quickla activated. Nice. Yes, guys, I got the Quickla, which I got from I don't know. And let's see if our Quickla can activate now. No, it doesn't activate it. So, in case signal beam animation is sick, man. Hey, you still haven't evolved your Golbat. And my Darkrai is at level 46, man. Should have grinded your Pokemon. Nice. And we defeated our rival Silver, guys. And yeah. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys when I reach Pewter City back. Okay, guys, we are back at Pewter City now, and let's go to Viridian City through Viridian Forest. In normal Gen 2 games, they doesn't have Viridian Forest, but in the remakes they added it, so nice of them. And we got a dire hit. There's a shortcut you can go, but I choose the longer path because I want to show off Viridian Forest, because it's been a while we since went through Viridian Forest. Like, when did we went through Viridian Forest? If I remember it, it's in episode 1, I think, or maybe episode 2 of our Fire Red playthrough. So that's how I'm feeling good after going through Viridian Forest, because it's not even a long journey if you have repulse, man. I hate Kanto because they're in so many games, so many fan games, man. Okay. And and we encountering in wild Pokemon doesn't gonna matter because they are all stupid anyway. And yeah, I am still debating on our last two final Pokemon. So yeah, we are at Viridian City, guys, and that's it for this episode, guys. I'll see you in the next episode of Let's Play Pokemon Soul Silver. Peace out, peace out, peace out, peace out. I'm gonna save the game when I end this episode. And yeah, peace out.